Built in 1905 to the House of Inchauste y Compañía branch in the Philippines, it was bought by the Elizaldes in 1934, then became the seat of the Commission of Audit in 1985. From 2016 to 2018, the house was restored by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines to its original glory. Now you can visit the place and admire its beauty for free. The two floors of the building now house the Philippine Economic History Museum. It takes you back in time to the birth and growth of the Inchausti trade, the very first multinational commercial company in the Philippines, famous for the products like Eco Floor Wax and the Tanduay distilled drinks. For more info about the Philippines, please feel free to email me listed below.